In one of my recent videos, I talked about the Ansman third-party replacement batteries for the Fujifilm X systems. Overall, I was happy with the product. However, in that video, I also mentioned that the battery started to bulge a little bit, which is probably a sign that the battery inside has started to fail due to heat overcharging, or maybe simply just failing due to old age. I did contact Amazon since, and it was still under the 5-year warranty, but I was told to contact Ansman directly, which I did, but when I shot the previous video, I haven't heard back from them, so I published that video anyway. I can, however, update you guys today that I did eventually hear back from them, and I have since received the replacement, free of charge of course, directly from Germany, although the communication was somewhat flaky, as I wasn't even sure at first if they have sent out the replacement after a few emails, but one day I did get the package through the post. Capacity-wise, it's exactly the same as before. The only thing that has changed slightly is the text on the battery itself, as you can see here. After some initial charging and testing, I can report now that the battery is working fine. For now, if there's anything else, I'll update you guys again in the future. It'll be interesting to see how long this battery will last compared to the old one, to see if anything has changed. Also, whether it's actually covered under the warranty. Again, if so, has it been renewed, or does it count from the original day that I bought the batteries, or has it been renewed now that I've received the replacement? But anyway, I didn't want to faff around with these small details and chase them for an answer, since I have received the replacement battery, so I'm happy for now. If you have a battery from Ansman that has failed, make sure you contact them directly through their website or via email. I'm not sure if that's the case if you bought it from, let's say, a retailer, for example, but in my case, since I bought it online through Amazon, this is the way that I had to go about to get them to send me the replacement. Oh, and before I go, as you can see, the new one definitely isn't swollen compared to the old one. That's it for today's short video. I just wanted to give you a quick update on this, but also give Ansman a big thumbs up for honoring the warranty as advertised. So excellent service there. Okay, my name is Joe, and thank you very much for watching again as always, and I'll see you in the next one.